How to fix Roblox not installing on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to troubleshoot Roblox installation issues on your PC. So if you find this guide helpful, kindly consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you have to access the installer and attempt to install it as an administrator. Right-click on the installer located at your desktop or in the Downloads folder, then select Run as Administrator, and you may encounter a Windows security prompt which you need to accept and check if the installation process. If it still fails, your Windows Defender or the firewall could be blocking it. Temporarily disable these security measures by accessing the Windows Start menu, navigate to the settings, and select Privacy and Security. Then click on the Windows Security, open the Windows Security, and within the Virus and Threat Protection settings, switch to toggle Windows Defender or disable your third-party antivirus. Once done, try reinstalling Roblox. Remember to re-enable the security measures after resolving the issue. For another solution, consider re-downloading the Roblox installer. Open the web browser, visit the Roblox website, and attempt to initiate the download process. Once the new installer is downloaded, run it. This approach is valuable if the previous installer was corrupted or faulty. Another method involves accessing the run function on your computer by searching it for it. Then type in %@data%, then opening the File Explorer to navigate to the Roblox folder. Within the folder, locate the versions subfolder and select the most recent version. To run it if it's present, and if not, try the next most recent version until you find the working installer. If these steps do not resolve the issue, there might be a problem with the Roblox service. Check the Roblox service status by searching on it online or visiting the official Roblox status page. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.